Hey guys!
Hey guys! Welcome to another video and hope you guys have all been well.
Yeah, at the moment we have a bit of sunshine which brightens up the day.
Definitely, but we have all the windows open right now, so it is quite cold.
And to be honest guys, we're wearing hoodies, so you can we just gotta appreciate that it brightens up the day. Yeah? Brightens up our day even more.
You guys know it, right?
Munch life.
Munch, guys. Munch brightens up our day, right?
So what are we cooking today?
So we are cooking a cabbage bhaji today. And
actually, do you know what? It's the cabbage dry bhaji.
Yeah, it's a stir fry, guys. It's absolutely amazing.
But Indian style stir fry.
And it's the white cabbage together with the green cabbage. We mix it all about, and you know what's gonna happen? Magic. Yep,
guys,
you guys are gonna love it. Show you now.
We always grab vegetables and we forget to cook them, and then they end up going off.
So we buy loads of vegetables, we half it, so half of them we have fresh, we chuck it into the fridge and then we have it as and when we need it, and then the other half, because we know when they're going to cook all of it, we freeze it like we have done here, but maybe we'll do another video on this later on to show you guys how we do it.
How we preserve our food.
Okay guys, so what we have here is 3 medium-sized sliced onions, 5 bird's eye green chilies, sliced as you can see. Just through the middle.
We don't slice them all the way. You get a bit of it showing the seeds, not all of it. We have like a whole bulb of
garlic,
coriander chop, and also half a lemon. And this will be for the garnish and also a nice little tang. We have half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin,
cabbage, green and the white as we've mentioned, lemon juice as well as the oil.
In this Indian style stir fry, it's always good to have a bit of lemon juice. Gives you that nice tang to it.
It gives it that punch, guys. Okay guys, let's get to it. So we go in with 4 tablespoons of oil. So now the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to go in with my cumin seeds. There we are. Stir it. Then let that toast for not even 2 minutes, just 1 minute's absolutely fine. I can smell the fragrance right now. It smells absolutely amazing already. I'm going to go in with the onions. Don't worry, I have clean hands. So I'm going to go in with a sprinkle of salt. This is just going to help the onions get a little bit golden. And the moisture from the onions is going to come out as well. So let's give it a nice stir. I am going to blast the heat now. Okay guys, so it's been 3 minutes now. We've got it half golden now, so we're going to go in with the garlic. And something to bear in mind is guys, when you do, if you go on a higher heat, you can cook it for like 2-3 minutes and fry the onions for 2-3 minutes. But if you do go on a more of a medium heat, then you can do it slightly longer. So just remember the onions are going to continue to fry with the garlic and also the cabbage. And you don't want the onions to burn. So we just give it a nice stir, guys. And once you've given it a stir, just let it rest and do its thing. So guys, it's been 5 to 6 minutes now, and as you can see, the onions and the garlic is nice and golden. So at this point now, we want to go in with the ground spices. So we want to stir this literally on low heat because we don't want the spices to burn. And we just give it a nice stir here. So we want to stir this literally for like 15 to 20 seconds, and then in we go with our lovely frozen cabbage. So guys, I've added the white cabbage now, and now I'm going to go in with the green cabbage. Make sure you let it thaw a little. Got water icicles in there as well, so there's no need to add extra water. This will help it steam itself. Go in guys and just give it a nice old stir. All the onions and the garlic from the bottom all to be moved up to the top. You want to give it a nice good stir. We've just got it on low heat just to let everything kind of mix in together, and then we'll put the heat back up again to like a sort of a low medium. At the moment we just want to make sure all the onions go in and give the cabbage, distribute the masalas. We'll add a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to leave this to cook for 15 minutes. So guys, we've been cooking this on medium heat for the last 15 minutes. So now we're going to go in with the green chilies. And we're going to cook this for the next 5 minutes on medium heat. And I will get a squeeze of half a lemon. Now this is going to give it intense flavours. Because when you have Indian bhajis, whether you have it from restaurants or you have it from home or you have especially the dry version, you need lemon. So we'll get the coriander in there now. As soon as you add the coriander in, you don't want to cook it too long. We still want the coriander to be whole and leafy. Now give that a nice stir in. Also we don't want the green chilies too cooked. As you can see, if it goes
if the heat's too high, it'll start sticking to the pan a bit. And we don't want this super dry. We want a touch bit of moisture in there. There you go. And I'm just going to switch this right off.
So guys, this is the end result. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. So guys, you know what time it is. It is munch time, guys. Crunch already there to go. We have our paratha getting cooked right now. So guys, we've run out of chapati flour. So we're improvising. We are going to try our cabbage bhaji with hot with paratha.
Guys, I'm excited as usual. You know how much we love food. Munch time, guys. You know how much we love that.
With the crunch. Oh, so, yeah.
Remember, we always have munch time with a bit of a crunch time. Okay, so let's get a bit of this. Ooh. Well, let's get a bit more in there. We want to taste flavours upon flavours. You want it to be hanging off like that so you know that you've taken the maximum amount. Let's go in. Mmm. Oh my god. Mm.
How does it taste, RJ?
I can taste this flaky paratha is nice and crispy, and also what I'm finding is I can still taste the lemon. There you go. And now just have a quick look at what beauty.
There. Oh, that looks amazing with the cumin seeds and everything.
Yeah, you can see how nice and moist it is as well. You don't want to dry this out, guys.
Exactly. And I think we gave the right amount of turmeric as well, RJ, so it's not like totally yellow.
Mmm.
I can hear that crunch.
It always needs
good old crunch.
Good old crunch. This just dissolves as soon as it goes in your mouth. What you do, get a nice little big piece, and then I'm going to add that piece of green chilli. It's kind of semi-cooked, it's not fully cooked, so it's still got a touch of a crunch to it. Okay. Mmm. Mmm.
Does it taste good?
Amazing. Mmm. Well, crunch and a fresh green chilli.
This is meant to be a taste test, by the way. You're meant to only have like one bite of it.
Guys, no way.
We can't help it, guys.
Addictive.
Our taste test isn't even taste test. It's actually called the munch time. Wait to get in now.
Oh, that chili had a nice kick in it.
Oh god.
Chili? Oh yes. Fresh bird's eye green chilies with that crunch.
Oh.
The paratha
we
is
have
nice
not had
and
cabbage bhaji in a long time, and oh my god, I can taste the garlic.
And we'll try and do a how to make a paratha video.
Love it.
Guys, just make sure if you're not having it with chapati and you're having it with paratha, make sure the paratha is nice and flaky. You need a bit of a crisp on that. Cabbage just perfect. Guys, you can't go with too much turmeric, it goes super yellow.
The cumin flavour, the sliced garlic as well, it makes all the difference in bhaji.
It has to be sliced, guys.
So guys, that was absolutely amazing. I love the taste, it was so good.
We love food, and anything we make, just remember, it's because we enjoyed it so much. That's why we're bringing it to you.
We love food. That's our thing,
And
guys.
remember, true munchers always keep and hold on to great recipes, and we're sharing them with you guys.
We're sharing it, guys. We're sharing it all because we're nice, we're kind, giving people.
Because you know why? You're part of the munch team now. If you're watching this video, you're already part of the munch team. You know why? Because you proved that you're not a foodie, you're a true muncher.
True muncher, not just a muncher, guys.
Upgrade. That's an upgrade of food loving.
Beep beep. We're gonna up the beat with the heat.
That's why we always have chili. Alright guys, so now we're going to call it a day. And if you did like the munch, make sure you punch the like. Subscribe and share.
With the munchers out there.
Don't forget to
ding ding
the bell button, guys.